What's up, guys? It's your boy Eddie, aka Macho Blade. Ooh, yeah. So, a lot has changed since the last shop update video, and yeah, I wanted to invite you guys to Shoppe De Macho. Welcome. All right, so let's just walk in here together, because you know what I'm saying? I'm just hanging out, showing you my shop. This is the desk area right here. Right here is where all the magic, all the inspiring, unprecedented, breathtaking, innovative, creative designs happen. You know what I'm saying? And this is my little leather working section. Working on a sheath right now. Got my mask that I need to clean off. My little respirator. A bunch of little shop towels. Deadpool, because you know he's the man. And yeah, just pens and stuff. Got my anodizing set up right here. And yeah, for all my titanium. Got my personalizer so I could etch my logo on everything. And I got my little tapping station so I could tap all the screws right here. Nice little hand tapper. And I got my tool chest. First drawer. Drawing supplies. Got different knives I'm working on. Doing a bunch of these. Gonna be doing a batch of 5 of these. All these right here are heat treated. But yeah, I got some pretty good feedback on these ones. So I will be doing that in the future. And yeah, I'll kind of be doing small batches of all these models. And just seeing how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Just coming up with some cool stuff. Let's see what's in the next drawers. Sandpaper, because you need sandpaper if you're a knife maker. And yeah, extremely well organized tools. And some liner material, some other handle material. Got some copper here, some G10 liners, some micarta, yeah, some titanium right there, some scrap liner material. Bunch of stuff in there. And this is where all the cool handle material is. Got some Tim Kipps stuff right here. Some voodoo resins, some Kieranite, carbon fiber, more carbon fiber, and all the nice and pretty voodoo resin stuff right here. This stuff rocks. Some wood blocks. Oh, this was nice. Brand new little set I got from Tim Kipps. Look at that. That's gonna make a nice handle. And yeah, that's it for that drawer. More sandpaper. The sandpaper's awesome. Oh, I missed a drawer. Leather work. Got a whole bunch of like tooling stuff, rivets, eyelets, little hammer punching tool, leather scrap. Yeah, rubber cement. All the stuff you need to mess with leather. Got my nice little sticker door going on over here. Just got the corner filled up. Eventually, the whole thing shall be filled. But yeah, got some voodoo resins, some Coke tools, Florida Knife Group, USA Knife Maker, J.Hugh Customs, Papa EDC gear, Rustin Splinters, and Principal Apparel. They're all the homies. Got my little radio out here, a little sound system. It is small, but it's a Bose, so it bumps. Got my little organizer right here, and yeah, I only use like 3 out of the 200 drawers that are right here, but hopefully, eventually, I'll get more organized. I got a bunch of stuff in this drawer that I could probably organize in there. Got my drill presses right here. And yeah, these two I don't really change the bits unless they're dull, but they just stay the same size bits. So I kind of have like a little assembly line going on over here. And right here is where I, change out different bit sizes and work with. These are just some Harbor Freight ones, and then this was just one I got in a garage sale. So still working and still, going on strong. Got my little Kydex press right here. And yeah, for all you guys trying to do kydex, this is a dope little setup. You get a woodworker's vise, get some plywood and some memory foam. Not that hard. Put your knife with the kydex in there and BAM! Clamp that sucker down. And yeah, so that is cool. I got my toaster oven right here to heat up the kydex and to do my tempering. Got a shop vac right there because this is a shop and I need to vacuum stuff. You know what I'm saying? Got my even heat treat oven. This thing has been awesome. And yeah, do all my heat treating right here. For the stainless steels, I got my stainless steel tool wrap. Got a bunch of steel down there. Some quenching plates, aluminum quenching plates right here. And as we move over this way, we can see the belt rack. So got 36 grits, 80, 120, 220, 320, 400, 600, 800. And then as we move into the den over here, got a bunch of used belts. Got my little Dremel set up. And got my buffer right there. Got my bandsaw with the swag table, you know what I'm saying? Swag. Swag. Why'd that sound weird? I don't know. But yeah, it's a swag table. So that's cool. Got the heart of the operation right here. My Beaumont of Metalworks KMG. Got the variable speed, and that's pretty freaking awesome. And got the platen on it right now. Got the small wheel attachment. I just bought some different size small wheels too. Got an 8-inch wheel there, and I also just bought a 14-inch wheel. So that's pretty dope. Got my little bucket right here with water. Keep things nice and cool. But eventually, this is what eventually is going to be right here. Got an air compressor outside, feeding some air so I can do a mist system right here. And yeah, that should keep things cool while I'm trying to work on hot steel. And got this line coming up and over. Bam, gonna have my sandblaster right here. Currently the sandblaster is in the garage because I don't have this whole thing set up yet, but that is coming. What also is coming is probably like just an air vent, just sucking all the air out of here and shooting it outside. Cause yeah, it gets pretty stuffy in this little room right here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, fan, because you need some air in Florida when you're stuck in a shed. And yeah, I should probably get an AC because that's not gonna cut it. But yeah, pretty dope shop, guys. Oh, how did I forget? Look at those tiles, you know what I'm saying? Got that black and white checkerboard going on. So, that was the quick shop update video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you guys gotta stay tuned to the channel. We've got a lot more content coming out for you. I'll be doing 2 videos a week. Be doing knife build videos. Be doing more shop update videos when I upgrade the shop. I'll be doing videos when I go travel and see other knife makers. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun bringing you guys along the custom knife maker game. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so the next video, I'll be going into all those projects I have. I got, you know, knife orders for different dealers, different customers. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Check that video out. And until next time, take it easy, guys. Peace.